Welcome back to Rickey Does It, where today I'll be making Jason out of construction paper. Now his mask is just going to be a basic oval shape, but I actually want it to be a bit bigger than usual, so I got my creation out here since he's our tallest friend so far. Now I don't usually fold heads in half to avoid a crease, but I feel with a mask like this, symmetry is key. Now his shirt. And I gotta tell you, I had no idea how Jason was dressed. For some reason, I pictured a blue jumpsuit, even though I know that's Michael Myers. All I could think is that his mask is so striking that it's all you see coming at you, which I think is kinda cool and underlines just how iconic it is. Let's trim that up just a little bit. Now his collar. And his hands, which I'm not going to do two at a time because I want one of them holding a machete. Jason here is one of my 4 top requested videos that I really want to get out before the end of the year. So if you're enjoying this video, why not give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's awesome. And don't forget to subscribe for all future videos, and who knows, maybe one of them will be something you've suggested. And just like my creation, this video is going by real quick. But if you'd like to see how I made a Frankenstein, you can click this card or find a link in the description. So let's get those eye holes cut out of black. And his markings out of red. Let's try that again. Now his machete. So just a few more touches. Now if you haven't seen my How to Make Chucky video, you can click this card to check it out or find a link in the description. Alright, let's color. And since this green is so dark, I'm just going to shade it with black. So let's figure out those mask holes. And I'm just going to ink them up and do some shading while I'm at it. Now we ink. And this micron is just not laying down on top of the crayon like I'd want. So I switch up to a graphic one which has more of a marker tip, so it does a great job here. I just got to make sure and use a lighter hand so the lines don't end up too thick. Now just a little white for highlights. And there he is, our Jason. And here he is with all the other horror movie monsters I've made so far. Be sure and check out my playlist where I show you how to make them all. So if there's anyone else you'd like to see me make, let me know in the comments, and yeah, happy Halloween! Click here to watch the playlist I just mentioned. Click down here for my latest video and what YouTube thinks you'd like to watch next. And be sure to subscribe for all future videos. See you soon!